The reason why you get no views on your YouTube Shorts is because you are uploading your videos the wrong way. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get views on your YouTube Shorts by uploading your videos the right way. Because I've noticed that many big creators are complaining that they get low views on their YouTube Shorts videos. So kindly watch carefully as I show you using my phone. First, you want to head over to your YouTube app. So I just open my YouTube app now. So now you tap on this plus button. Always remember, do not use your YouTube Studio when uploading your YouTube Shorts, because if you use your YouTube Studio, you're not going to have many features. The YouTube app allows you to have other features where you can add your custom thumbnails and other cool stuff. So now you tap on this plus button. Now if you notice, the first place shows videos, the second place is shorts. So you select shorts, which is the second option. Now you tap on add, this add button here, you tap on it. Now you select the video, that is the short video you want to upload. You select it and you press on next. So when you tap on next, you tap on done. Wait for it to process. It might take just a few moments for it to process. Once it processes, that's when you can now add your custom thumbnail and other stuff like your title and your tags. So let's just wait for it to process. So now once it has processed, it will show you this particular page, right? Once it shows you this particular page, you can either add sound, you can add a trending sound, something that is trending. So if a sound is trending and you add it towards in your YouTube Shorts, it's going to make that video go viral. It's going to make it go viral because that particular sound is trending. So now let me just add this memory reboots, because they are telling me that it is recommended. It means that particular sound is trending. So now this particular sound refuse adding, but since my video doesn't even need the sound, I'm just going to press tick. Now after you pressing tick, you want to tap on next. So now you want to tap on next. This is where you're going to add your details of the video. So now this pencil icon is where you select your custom thumbnail. So now let me select a custom thumbnail for this particular video, so you can just see how to add yours. So what you need to do is you need to look for a particular moment or a particular expression in that particular video that will drag people's attention, because you need to make sure you get it right, because if you don't choose the right thumbnail, you're not going to get clicks on your YouTube Shorts. So now this is where the boy's face expression is looking weird, so I think people like clicking on weird faces. So you tap on this tick button here. So now this is where you need to add your caption for your shorts. So YouTube Shorts is different from YouTube long form videos. If you're doing a YouTube Shorts, you need to make your title as short as possible. That's why it's called YouTube Shorts. Everything about it is short, so you need to put a captivating title. So now I can put a short title like this. The first letter is going to be in capital letter, then I'll put why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? So now this is how to put tags in your YouTube Shorts video. The first tag has to be a broad tag. Mostly I usually recommend people using shorts so that your video can pop up in the short feed. If you notice, the first short here, the first keyword they gave me is what? Short. So I'm going to select that one. So now the second keyword you're going to put is what has to be specific to the particular video. Maybe if it's an emotional video, you can put emotional video. If it's a comedy video, you can put comedy skit. So just put anything that you know that relates to that particular video. For instance, this video now is his reaction. I love his reaction when he was crying and he said, what are you laughing at? So I'm going to use reaction. So now this, they have already started suggesting the keyword, the hashtag for me. So I'm going to select reaction. Then the last hashtag you're going to use is a broad keyword. So in my case, I'm going to use viral short. So now you can use viral video, you can use viral shorts, you can use viral shorts. So they are giving you keywords here you can use. You can use viral videos, viral reels. So now I'm going to select viral shorts. So after doing that, I'm going to select my audience, right? I'm going to select my audience. Now I'm going to put no, it's not made for kids, because if I use yes, it is made for kids, YouTube is going to restrict this particular video. So you want to select no, it's not made for kids, because once you select yes, it is made for kids, it means your videos is only for kids, and they are not going to recommend it to adults. Anybody above 18, they are not going to recommend this particular video to them. So you want to always make sure you select your audience. That is why most of you are getting low views. Most of you might have left this blank, or you might have selected yes, it's made for kids. So YouTube is going to start restricting your videos. So now you're going to put related video. In case you have a long form video, you want to make your viewers, anybody viewing that particular short, if you want to convert them to watch your long form video, you can put related video. But in my case, I don't have a long form video, so I'm going to leave that blank. So now the next settings you need to do is move to this add paid promotion label. So I am not taking any paid promotion from anybody, so I'm going to select no. And now you're going to move to the next step, which is altered content. This particular content is not altered. It means I didn't use any AI in creating this particular video. So I'm going to select no. So always make sure you're ticking this for every individual shot you are uploading to YouTube. So after doing this, the next thing for you to do is make sure that your comment is on. In my case, it is already on. So after that, you just upload the shots to YouTube and wait for 24 hours. So you can either share it to people you know who watch that particular shot, or just leave it for YouTube to start pushing the particular video. So that will be all for today, guys. If this video was helpful or it was valuable, please comment down below and subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to leave a like for the algorithm, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.